We are currently witnessing a huge increase in the worldwide manufacture of electric vehicles. HepcoMotion continues to be a pivotal partner with automation experts who are working on various types of EV production lines in Asia, North America and Europe, not least EV battery and powertrain production. This is once more down to those fundamental benefits of the HepcoMotion V system. The first positive to mention is the size and diversity of our product range. Our V system is available in many different product types, sizes and shapes, many of which are relevant here. Firstly, there's GFX with Beckhoff XTS for complex individual motion sequences. Then there's DTS, again closed loop, oval or rectangular configurations where product needs to be sequentially moved between stations in a circuit, ideal for accumulative process lines. And then there's GV3 and SL2, our straight V slides suited to very long process lines and well suited to lane switching. More on that later. Supplied as component parts only or as driven modules, all of these are used extensively in EV and EV battery manufacture plants around the globe. System dimensions, format and shape can be uniquely configured together with various standard options to create that bespoke customer solution. We can specify accurately and cost effectively every time to meet each specific requirement. Okay, what are those specific requirements associated with EV battery manufacture and what makes the Hepco V system the best choice? Firstly, let's look at the complexity of EV lines. Present-day battery manufacture includes many diverse processes, so production lines are often long and complex, typically in excess of 50 to 100 meters line or circuit lengths. As battery technology further develops for increased distances between charge, cheaper and cleaner, the intricacy of lines is further likely to increase, and this is exactly what we are currently seeing. No problem with the Hepco V system with its wide range of straight and curved V tracks, together with proven connection formats which ensure smooth precision joints and open the door to endless theoretical system lengths. In addition, our V slides do not require precision machine surfaces for mounting due to the single contact point between V wheel and V track. This saves a considerable amount of time, effort and money, especially on those larger, longer, more intricate systems. You really do get the best of both worlds with a V-bearing carriage assembly. On one hand, they provide a rigid, zero-play, high-capacity solution for precise, controlled movement. On the other hand, the V-bearing has a built compliance under load that will tolerate a level of misalignment and is ideal when butting a large number of V-rails together or moving a piece of rail to align with another one as part of a production path. Plus, there's even greater compliance available with a V system is used in parallel with our track rollers, another common component across many of our ranges. So what happens on a long line or closed track system if one or several carriages need to be swapped out? HepcoMotion adjustable type V bearings provide the valuable function of adjusting out system wear. But in addition, our double eccentric type will enable carriages to be removed and set in situ and without disturbing others, so reducing downtime. Individual battery cells come together in large quantities to form the overall battery pack, so manufactured numbers are much higher. This means EV battery plants need exceptionally high levels of productivity, typically 24/7 operation. High speed between processes is key. Our V systems are not only durable for long life and high duty, but also well suited to those high speeds and velocity changes. Depending on certain factors, the Hepco V guide system will accommodate speeds up to 10 meters per second. Recirculating linear technology such as ball rails and ball bushes are limited to a fraction of this because their bearings experience a high degree of acceleration change between the load bearing track and the return track. This is fundamentally down to Newton's second law of motion, F equals ma. The combination of the high force and end cap material limits the rate at which the bearing block or bush can travel. On the other hand, our V-bearing design maintains a uniform acceleration due to its circular design, with the balls captivated and protected between highly durable, hardened steel inner and outer raceways. Think again about driving your car around a sharp hairpin bend as opposed to a long sweeping bend. Think of the forces you experience in both of those scenarios. The Hepco V-bearing will get that much gentler ride through the process, plus provide a longer life and with zero maintenance. So productivity always wins. With the Hepco V system, re-lubrication intervals are extremely low and of course no catastrophic failure, even if the tracks are left to run dry. Maintenance and spares costs can be dramatically reduced. Our V systems include double-edged and single-edged options, enabling larger mover plates and central drives where required. Our V systems can be used in any orientation, and as might well be expected, EV battery manufacture will usually require a good level of corrosion resistance from its main highway. But that's okay, because we have stainless steel V-track and V-bearing systems in our SL2 range and for this type of eventuality. In addition, we also have V-bearings in vacuum, high temperature and low temperature formats. The level of design versatility is key. So let's get back to lane switching. The product flow path on an EV line often needs to be complex, including track switching, offline workstations, buffering zones and the like. This is a job for HepcoMotion V system, with its proven record in track management systems, moving part of the track to align with another, pretty much like a railway point, but again used vertically or horizontally. In this situation, it's often necessary to leave a small gap between rails on the switching sections. No problem again, the V wheels on the carriage can be configured to suit, and carriages with 6 bearings will easily traverse a larger gap and at high speed. Again, system compliance is key. Lane switching also allows a closed loop system to be built vertically, making effective use of factory space. In addition, this enables the product, whatever it may be, to maintain the same orientation around the full system. Please remember that, again, in collaboration with our Beckhoff partners, XTS GFX now has the TMS track management option. So, I'm hoping that this brief insight will help you, our viewer, into understanding how we can help you, regardless of your industry or type of application. We're always on hand to assist your design process, so please come and talk to us.